Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to change your legal name on Google account. So let's see. Well, before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are pretty new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to simply scroll down right here and I click on settings right here. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and make sure you look for Google right here. So click on Google. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on your Google name. Then proceed with Google account. So click on Google account. Then go to personal info right here. Then you have to simply scroll down right here and make sure you click on name right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on legal name right here. So at this point here, you have your legal name. Your legal name is the name you use when you first made a purchase or verify your identity at Google. And it may also be the name you use to sign up for a certain businesses, products, or services. Google needs your legal name to comply with regulation and a transparency policy or to prevent fraud. Now, for you to change your verified legal name, what you need to do is to simply click on change verified legal name, and then you enter a new document and your new name. With that, you are done, and your legal name will be updated across Google products without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.